All right, guys, it is movie night slash karaoke night. The neighbors aren't gonna know what hit them. We're here at a campground, we're camping out, we're having family. It's gonna be a party time. I got the projector screen up, but most importantly, we got the projector right here. This guy is a mini projector, and I wanted to show you guys in the sun to see what you kind of get here. It's a mini projector. It's a 4K 1080p with 4K upscaling, so it can play your 4K videos, not a problem, but it'll probably downscale to 1080p. So anything you have that's in 4K, it's gonna run it smooth, it's gonna run it nice, and it's just a mini projector, one that we take camping with us. I love how it has this stand. This stand is completely removable, and then this right here, whether or not you can raise it or lower it. As you can see, I usually just leave the stand on just like that because it's perfect for this height, shooting at that projection screen. Now you're not going to see it right now because it needs to get a little darker, but it does come with a remote. But the coolest thing about this guy right here is its Bluetooth capabilities. You do not need the remote. In fact, I often lose the remote, so I'm kind of surprised I found it today. I usually use my phone. When I use my phone, you just have to download the app called Transcreen. And then when I just click on that, and then it connects, and I use my phone as the remote. These speakers right here, you'll see in a minute, they're okay, but they're not karaoke speakers. These are okay for indoor speakers, for if a kid's room, anything like that. Those speakers are just fine. But outside, movie night, you want to have some really good speakers. So we got our karaoke speakers, or you can hook your speakers up to any Bluetooth. On the back, you have a couple different connections here. You have a couple USB slots and an USB probably if you wanted to plug your phone directly in, or if you wanted to plug like a Fire TV, Google's Chromecast or something like that. If you're gonna hook it up into like a theater room, you can see that. Then you have an AV, which they give you this cable right here to hook that up. If you're gonna permanently run this into like a stereo with RCA jacks, you can do that. And then they give you HDMI cable and then a cleaning cloth that comes in the kit. As you can see, I rarely touch these, so I just leave it in the bag. But once it gets a little darker, we're gonna be good to go. Set this all up, waiting for the sun to go down, because somebody told me a long time ago that when the sun goes down, the fun goes up. The night has fallen, and I am about to press the button to turn this thing on. I just wanna show you guys how fast it kicks on. So 1, 2, 3, press the button. It is kicking on right now. And you see that right there. Now obviously we got to do some adjustment. Just coming out here before everybody else gets out here to make sure we got this picture going right there. And there's a focus ring right on it's a manual focus ring, so it doesn't have autofocus on it, but you can, it's not a big deal. And you dial that focus in until you get it nice, crisp, and clear. It's like it's kicking us into an update, so that's kind of cool. So you got Wi-Fi, you get auto updates. You can see right here, here's the remote that you kind of get on the app. All right, so I just got the firmware updated right here, and obviously we got some Keystone issues. So we're gonna come over here to your settings, get in here, and then do our projection settings really quick, and Keystone correction. I had this on a kid's wall that was kind of slanted, so that's why we kind of adjusted it, and that's where it's been for a little bit. So you kind of do that until it looks good, and that's pretty good right there. That looks pretty good. The other thing you can do is you can go back out of here and you can go 4-point scaling, and if you wanted to, you bring the corners up just a little bit, and you can really just kind of fine tune that in if you wanted to. A lot of these projectors don't give you that flexibility, and that's a good screen. I like that screen. So now we're gonna go home, and you have anything you want on the Google Play Store. You have YouTube, you got Netflix, it already comes preloaded. You have HDMI if you wanna hook up your laptop here. And then you have screen mirror right here. You can just basically cast your screen. I'll show you how to do that really quick. Just share the entire screen. Now, basically everything you see on your phone, so if you have, this is the remote, so everything you have on your phone, you have access to. So if we wanted to go to a YouTube really quick, and you can watch your favorite YouTube channel right there.
Just by pushing a button. Who doesn't love pushing a button to change oil? Let me know right now.
I love pushing a button to change my oil. So that what you heard right there was the integrated speakers. One of the coolest things here is that you can actually hook it up to Bluetooth. So we can come in here to the settings and go to the Bluetooth settings, and I am going to hook it up to a little outdoor speaker right here. So we're going to turn this on, because when you're watching a movie outside, you don't want the integrated speakers, you want the outdoor speakers. All right, we got to find it. There we are, JBL. That's our speakers right there. Now we are connected. Now we can go back and actually get our movie going and get it all ready and set up for the movies. So here we go. Guys, this is pretty cool. This is pretty freaking awesome. We're out here at campground. I don't have to go through all the settings of Netflix, YouTube. I have it all on my phone, so I can just find what I'm looking for on my phone, and we are good to go. All right, I got this loaded up 4K movie night. This is the movie that we're going to be watching tonight. You can hear it through that. Those are the speakers. That's pretty good, actually. So it's kind of interesting because if you're casting your phone, you can actually use your phone speaker. You can hear it playing on both speakers here. So let me show you what I mean. So I have this Bluetooth speaker, that's the one I want to use, but the projector speakers are playing. It's pushing out both sound at the same time. So you get the sound here and the sound here. So that's kind of cool because this one's coming from my phone, which is what I'm casting on the screen. This one's coming from the projector, so I can actually use my earbuds in my phone, turn this down and use it that way, or whatever Bluetooth is connected to my phone, or use both of them if I really wanted to have this for like an upfront audience, go through this in the back. And if I had more people on the projector, so think you're like using it for like a stadium or a big church group or something like that, right? So we got our movie going. We're going to be watching some Toy Story 5 tonight for tonight's movie. And we got our audience here. Now we just need to get everybody else out here, get some popcorn, and have movie night. So we get this little tiny projector that's easy to store in our RV. We got movie night and 4K Toy Story 5. It's an awesome night to be out here. We got the kiddos. If you want to enjoy a nice summer night with an awesome movie night, this projector right here is going to get the job done, whether it's going to be indoor, outdoor, anything like that. It's not going to break the bank, and it's freaking awesome. I love this guy. It's so cool.